In iOS 17, Apple allowed sideloading of apps installing IPA files on your iPhone from verified third-party app store. Similarly, in this video, we'll talk about one of the app store, that is FlekStore, which has a large variety of app library for you along with multiple categories. As you can see here, you name it, you have it here, all the categories, and under each category there are large number of applications available for you. But there is an update now. To install any application on your iPhone from FlekStore, you require to add one more application, that is Live Container. Go ahead and search for a Live Container. Once you have it, just do one thing, sign up and install on your iPhone. Once you have a Live Container, now the next thing starts here. Go ahead, tap on Live Container, and to use that, the developer mode should be enabled on your iPhone. So do one thing, go to settings, open settings, go to privacy and security, scroll down and open developer mode. Just go ahead, enable that, verify it, okay, reboot your iPhone and just enable developer mode on your iPhone. And that's it. Once you enable developer mode on your iPhone, you have your live container available freely for you. Just go ahead and open the live container, and just like FlexStore, the apps are available here under each category. Go ahead, choose the category and choose the application. And now to get the application, at right side you will see option called get. Just go ahead and tap on get option, and immediately, instantly, that application will be added to your my app list, and technically all your apps will be available here inside live container to be used or accessed. Along with this, live container also allows you to install IPA files on your iPhone as well as FlexStore under eSigner. You can choose it and do it on your own by yourself very easily. Also, if you see here, all the apps are available under the live container, and whenever you open any application, that application opens in a full screen. And now to use any other application, you have to close the live container and come back here, right? This can be fixed. Do one thing, open live container, go to settings, scroll down and just enable these settings. Once you enable this, multiple apps can be opened at the same time inside the live container. Do one thing, if you see here, if you open the application here, it won't open full screen but in a small window which can be minimized, maximized or closed. Even the multiple apps can be viewed, opened at the same time from this bubble as well. Now the main thing, how to install or how to get FlexStore. Just do one thing, go to this website, open the website and tap on option called get. Once you do it, tap on share icon and add to home screen. Just do that and this app icon will be there on your home screen. Open the application, and now here the main task starts where you require to add your device. Just go ahead, go to devices and just tap on add device. This will add a profile on your iPhone settings. Just install it. Now do one thing, go to settings, go to general, open VPN and device management, and here just install the profile on your iPhone. Once you do it, your device will be added to the Flex Store for the next thing. And here after this, to enjoy Flex Store and install any application, you require to have a certificates for this, and that can be done through various methods, like you can purchase the certificates along with the premium access. Also, you can link the developer account if you have, otherwise you can add your own certificates if you already own them. If all three are not available here, don't worry, there will be a bonus for you for 2 month premium access for you all if you get the Flex Store from the link given below. Okay, you can try that and have access and enjoy the Flex Store. So guys, that's it about Flex Store. I hope this video helped you, was in detailed for you, and if yes, please give a like and subscribe. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye, take care, see you in the next video.